In this video, we're going to show you how to add custom fields to forms in SuiteDash, one of the leading all-in-one business management platforms. If you're looking for a quick guide to make your SuiteDash forms more personalized and tailored to your needs, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive bonus for you. First things first, let's log into SuiteDash and head over to the Forms section. You'll find it under the Automation menu. This is where you can manage your existing forms or create new ones. If you're looking to collect specific information from clients or leads that isn't covered by the default fields, custom fields are the way to go. Next thing, click on the form you want to edit or start a new form from scratch. Once you're in the form builder, you'll see the option to add fields in the drag and drop editor. Now, look for the Custom Fields section in the available field types. This is where you'll find options for adding text boxes, checkboxes, drop-down menus, and more. You can easily drag these fields into your form layout. The third thing is customizing those fields. For each custom field, you can set labels, make them required, and even set default values. SuiteDash gives you plenty of options for tailoring these fields to collect exactly the data you need. You can even specify the field type, text, date, email, number, etc., so your users know exactly what kind of information you're expecting from them. The fourth thing, which is really important, is organizing the fields on your form. If you have a lot of custom fields, SuiteDash lets you create sections and dividers. This keeps everything neat and easy to navigate for your users. So, don't just throw your fields together. Make sure it's organized for a smooth experience. Next, let's talk about how to use conditional logic with custom fields. SuiteDash allows you to set certain fields to show or hide based on the answers given in other fields. For example, if someone selects yes on a question, you can reveal another set of fields that only apply to that choice. It's a great way to keep forms clean and ensure you're collecting relevant data. Now, the last thing, testing your form. Before you hit the Publish button, make sure everything works as expected. Submit test entries to verify that all your custom fields are properly capturing the information and that the conditional logic is working as intended. So, that's how you add and customize fields in SuiteDash. But before you go, I need to let you in on a little secret. While SuiteDash is great, there are alternatives that might be a better fit depending on your needs. We've found that there are other platforms that offer more advanced features, a smoother user experience, or more flexibility when it comes to custom fields and integrations. Stick around, because at the end of this video, we'll give you access to a special extended free trial for SuiteDash. But don't click away just yet. If you're looking for something with more advanced customization options, we've got some amazing alternatives to recommend. These alternatives also offer free trials and may be a better fit for your business. Make sure to check the link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits for SuiteDash and the alternatives we've mentioned. This deal is only available through our viewers, so don't miss out.